done too. This side of fence is done. It's a 6x6 column. We call it fully closed, which means it doesn't blow over. This place is gazebo. This is bed. What about these areas with and without limestone? Interlock. It's all inter all the way over here. Lock goes back up and then the bottom goes back up. Step on this pole with the... I'm going to step on the 4th floor. We use 10 inch. It's up here. Sides of the composed base. On top of it. This pillar is a 6x6 pillar. There's the whole of this bed adjustment. This is bed. This place. Wall-mounted garbage cabinet. Every trash can has this joint stand. It's all related to this. Joint stand connects together. This is what we did for our guests on this side of Airport Road. Fence, interlock, and deck. This deck just made bed. I changed the order to composite deck board for the customer. There are... Lou, they're reading. So now I'm waiting for the material. Where's the interlock now? After 3 weeks of work, we finished this family's backyard for its... What about the whole thing? The whole remodeling thing, right? It started with fence. After that, hooded D and interlock. The last thing we did was deck. The requirements here are quite specific. Underlying base is pressure treating. That is composite deck board. Composite wrapped edges. The reading above is the read of aluminum. Okay. This home also has a rather specific requirement for this deck step. After a period of time, as described above, try hard. Owner's requirements were met. The owners are very full. It means the whole backyard has a new look. This is one of its fair place. We did it for him too. I forgot to mention that we're also the ones who got the sun. Help this guest. Mounting this gazebo